Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Robinhood Gold, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into your Robinhood Gold account, start by opening the Robinhood app on your device. If you have not yet downloaded the app, visit the App Store or Google Play Store to install it. Once the app is open, tap on the login button located on the main screen. Enter your email address associated with your Robinhood account in the designated field. Next, input your password. Make sure your password meets all security requirements set by the platform. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will need to check your authentication method for a verification code. Enter the code in the provided field to proceed. After entering the code, tap Submit or Continue. Once logged in, navigate to the home page where you will find your account details. To access Robinhood Gold features, look for the Gold tab on the bottom navigation bar. Tap on the Gold tab to view your subscription details and benefits. If you need to upgrade to Robinhood Gold, follow the prompts to complete the process. You are now successfully logged into Robinhood Gold and can explore its features. If you experience any issues, double-check your email and password for errors. For additional help, visit the Robinhood support page for guidance. That's it. You're all set to start using Robinhood Gold. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.